Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while. I was super busy and I could not give much time to YouTube, but I'm finally back. So today's video is a little special because I did my nail for the first time, and this video is all about my night skincare routine. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, let's remove all the dirt and makeup using this cleansing balm from Skin. I actually received this in PR, and ever since I started using it, I have been obsessed. It literally melts away every bit of makeup, foundation, mascara, even waterproofs one so easily and without any effort. The texture feels buttery soft, and as soon as you massage into your skin, it starts breaking down all the impurities. After rinsing it off, my skin feels super clean, hydrated and fresh. Not dry or tight at all. This one thing I really love about Korean skincare product. They focus so much on being gentle yet effective. Honestly, this has become one of my favorite steps into my night routine. After wiping off the cleansing balm, or you can also rinse in with water, I move on to my second step, which is cleansing. For that, I am using my favorite face wash from Minimalist. It's the 2% salicylic acid cleanser. This one is amazing for deep cleaning pores and keeping acne or blackheads away. I love how gentle it feels on the skin but still give that fresh, clean feeling after washing. It really helps in keeping my skin clear and smooth. Honestly, it deeply cleans the pores, helps with acne and breakout, and still feels super gentle on the skin. After rinsing the face wash, I am done with cleansing now. And let's wipe the face. I actually avoid using towel, especially when I have active acne, because they can be a bit harsh and unhygienic. Instead, I like using this tissue. They are really soft and gentle on the skin. Just pat your face lightly, don't rub too hard. And yes, I am ready for the next step of my night skincare routine. Now I'm using this Anua Rice Ceramide Toner. My skin been having some barrier issue lately, and this toner really helped to repair and strengthen it. It's super hydrating and smoothing, and I love how it instantly makes my skin feel calm and plump. The rice extract gives that natural glow, while the ceramide help lock in moisture and protect the skin barrier. I have been using it regularly at night, and honestly I can already feel my skin getting softer and healthier day by day. Now for moisturizer, I am using the Mary and Me Blackberry Cream. This is super effective and has quickly become one of my favorite steps in my night routine. It's really nourishing and locked in all the hydration from the previous step without feeling heavy and greasy. I love how it makes my skin feel so soft, plump, and it gives that natural healthy glow by morning. The texture is silky and spread easily, so I can massage in it gently, which I think also help with circulation. Honestly, it feels like my skin is getting pampered while I'm sleeping, and over time, I have noticed it really improved the overall texture and firmness of my skin. I would definitely recommend this if you are looking for something that both gentle and super effective for hydration and barrier care. Now it's time for eye cream. I have been getting a bit of dark circle lately, so I'm using this one to help brighten and hydrate the under eyes area. I love how lightweight it feels. It absorbs quickly without feeling any sticky residue. I just gently pat it around my eyes with my ring finger, making sure not to tug the delicate skin. Over time, it really helps in keeping my under eye soft, refresh, and a little brighter too. And of course, how can I forget lip care? My lip need just as much love as the rest of my face. I am applying this nourishing lip balm to keep them soft, smooth, and hydrate overnight. For body, I am using the Chemist at Play body lotion. It's super hydrating and keep my skin soft and smooth all night. Applying body lotion is such a simple step, but it makes a big difference in keeping my skin healthy and nourishing from head to toe. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all your love, support, and all the sweet comments you leave. It means so much to me. Keep supporting, keep loving, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so we can grow together. And let's aim to hit 1K very soon, and honestly it's all up to you guys. I can't wait to share more content with you. Honestly, you all are my biggest motivation to keep doing what I love. And once again, thank you for being here and growing staying with me. Let's keep going together and make this journey even more special. Take care, stay glowing, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Love you all. Bye.